All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So personal. Personal. Something relating to a person or yourself. It is a personal decision. We all have our personal struggles. There we are. Personal decision. Yes. Personal struggles. Yes. This is a personal journey. Those are personal struggles. Learning Spanish is my personal endeavor. My challenge, my personal challenge. We went on a personal journey of enlightenment. We had a personal journey through the forest. Yes, walking and exploring. How cool is that? She's taking some personal time off. Yeah. She wants some personal time by herself. Yeah, some personal time by herself. Yeah. Yes. Recording these lessons are my personal goals. He will go with me to the personal spa. Why not? How are they going to learn about the personal objectives in life? How are they going to learn about the personal objectives in life? It's quite important. Yeah. So, personal. Yes. We all have our personal demons to fight. We all have our personal demons to fight. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use personal in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.